Good morning. It's Saturday, May 25th. It's 9 a.m. We've got our coffee, green tea, and bagels, and we're off to Chicago. Just 6 more hours and 15 minutes, and then we'll be there. Made it to Wisconsin Dells. We're 3 hours in, halfway there. Oh, it feels so good to stretch though. All that fresh air. We made it to stop number 2. We have about 90 minutes left on the GPS, and we're in the state of Illinois, so we're so close.
Do you want to dance?
6.5 hours later at 4:30 p.m. we finally made it. We parked, we're at our hotel. We're gonna go check in, probably change because I'm really hot in my travel clothes, and then grab some food because I'm starving. But we're here, we finally made it to Chicago. Also, yes, I am with my boyfriend. This entire footage has just been me so far, but. Okay, we made it. We are room 2212. I don't think I've ever stayed this high before. Ready? Yeah, I got it. Oh my gosh! Oh, it's so cute! It is so cute! Let me just leave everything in the hallway, sorry. Oh, okay.
Nice. I mean, they call this.
Look at this! I like our little painting back there of the city. Got a little sitting area, and for the best reveal, let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, hello Chicago! This is freaking crazy! That's so cool! We're in here! Wow, whoa, we are high. That is freaking crazy. Oh my gosh, it feels so good to be here after like probably close to 7 hours in a car. It went by really fast, but it feels so great just to finally be here for the weekend. I am so excited. So the car ride over, I planned out our entire itinerary for this weekend. We have a lot of fun things planned, so definitely stay tuned. But give this video a thumbs up, and welcome to my Chicago vlog. So we just kind of freshened up in the hotel room. I changed into, stop laughing at that. After settling into Chicago, we have changed and we're ready to go grab some dinner. I'm not really sure where we're going yet, but we're just gonna walk the Magnificent Mile, get some exercise in after being in the car all day. But I did change into this little Brandy Melville floral dress, super cute. I think I wore this to VidCon last year, so you've seen it from there with this oversized denim. I've got my sunnies and I'm ready to go. Also, I still cannot get over this blonde hair. What the heck? Anyway, let's go check out Chicago. Just because there's a full-length mirror in this hotel room, which I have never had before, I gotta show you. We are ready to go. Also, in case anyone is curious, we are staying at the Courtyard Marriott in downtown Chicago, right off of Michigan Avenue. So far, I definitely recommend it. I mean, full-length body mirror, 10 out of 10. Let's do this. God, we got a margarita pizza, fish tacos, and cheese fries. That is so cute. Aww. We're back in the hotel room for a little bit. Tyler and I went to Grand Lux Cafe for our first meal in Chicago. It was really, really good. It was actually the last place that my friend Emily and I went to in 2015 when I was here last, and I remembered being there. It was so great. Definitely recommend it. It's only like a block away from our hotel, so it was super, super close. But we came back, dropped off some leftovers in our little mini fridge, rested a little bit because honestly, I am beat. I am so tired. But now it's about 8 p.m. and we are off to Navy Pier because tonight is the first celebration of their summer fireworks, I believe. It's like their Memorial Day fireworks and it's their first show. So we're gonna go walk around Navy Pier for a bit, maybe go on the Ferris wheel, which I really hope we do because I love Ferris wheels, and just enjoy our first night in Chicago. I have the Navy Pier pulled up on my phone right now. It looks like it is about 17 minutes away if we walk. So a 17-minute walk isn't really that bad. So there's the skyline, there's the river. We're gonna be up there. Thank you. Wow, we get this all to ourselves. Fun fact, this Ferris wheel is 198 feet tall, making it the tallest Ferris wheel that I think I've ever been on. So I'm very excited. I've never been this high. Oh my god, here we go. Wow, we thought we were gonna have to share one of these, but we got it all to ourselves. Oh god, like that's the river right there. God, just look at that! The highway running through it and everything. This is it? This is the top?
Yep.
Currently at the top, we are 198 feet off the ground and smiling. Yeah, I'm gonna say perfect timing on Thank you. Cheers! Our first night. Oh my god, that fireworks show was one of the best I've ever seen. It is Memorial Day weekend, so that explains all the red, blue, and white fireworks. There is no better ending to our first day in Chicago than with the beer right against the pier.
Against the pier.
Pier against the pier. Yep. Cheers, babe. But yeah, it's so perfect. It's so beautiful out. We're sitting here right against the water, enjoying a beer. Like, honestly, so great. Oh my god, I'm in heaven. Well, it's been a long day. Oh wait, I didn't even get you. There he is. It's just a few minutes shy, we're right here, of midnight. Literally our room is like right outside of the elevator. That's wonderful. But I think I'm gonna call it a night for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow we have so much planned. I'm very much looking forward to everything going on tomorrow, so definitely keep watching. But I am going to clock out for the night because I am beat. Oh wait, I didn't even get it. Wait, you gotta do it again.